Good morning to everyone. Welcome to Nilgiri Degree Education College YouTube channel. Today we are starting of the final year syllabus, and we have the subject name is Excel Foundation. Excel Foundation is the one of the subject of your final sem, and this is why we are introducing this one. This is the basically depth introduction of the Excel or MS Excel. The MS Excel is a part of the MS Office. Already we learned in IT the MS Office. MS Office is the package. Already you know it have 4 parts, whereas the MS Excel is one part in the MS Office. The MS Excel is the important for everyone. Why? Because it have a large advantages. Whereas we are creating the charts, we are creating the number different types of tables. We are used many ways in the Excel. When the Excel foundation is the depth of the MS Excel, that's why we are discussing MS Excel. First, the MS Excel foundation is used for BCom students. That's why they are using the Excel foundation subject. In this, we are discussing the Excel, whereas MS Excel, it has the 5 units of syllabus, and each and every unit has its own topics. Whereas majorly first unit 1 have the introduction of Excel, and it have the introduction of the Excel sheet, whereas the worksheet, workbook, and the moving around the worksheet, whereas the parts of the worksheet, those are all discussed in the first unit. And after that we have the second unit. The second unit is the depth of the Excel, whereas it has the worksheet operations and adding and deleting of worksheets and types of cells, and another topic is worksheet views. It has the different views we have in the Excel sheet, whereas the topic is worksheet views. We are differently viewing the worksheet, differently we are using the worksheets. That's why we are discussing the worksheet views. Whereas third unit, in this we have the tables, and in this we have the another topic is templates, and we have the adding and deleting rows and columns to table. Whereas this is the depth topic of the particular table. Already the tables are important major concept in the Excel sheet or Excel. Why? Because majorly the Excel is used for to creating the tables. Different types of tables are created in the Excel sheet. Whereas and again it have the another benefit is, and we are also adding the rows and deleting the rows and adding the columns and deleting the columns to the table. It is also important for the person or for the customer to increasing the table size and decreasing the table size. That's why. And bracket text is the another topic. It is also used for Excel. Why? Because the text is also entered into the Excel sheet. That's why we are wrap the text. That is the another advantage feature of the Excel. And these are all discussed in the third unit of syllabus. And another unit is fourth unit. The fourth unit we have the different topics, whereas the password protecting a worksheet. The password is also important feature of Excel sheet. Why? Because each and every sheet will be protected when we are storing the important data in the Excel sheet. At that time we are using the password. That's why it will be protecting the sheet. Why? Because password is used for protect the sheet. It is also able to create the password or put the password to the Excel sheet. And the formatting text, it is the most important concept in the Excel. Why? Because the text is differently we are displaying the sheet, whereas the large size or small size, whereas the colors, those are all applied with the help of the formatting text option, and the colors and shading also used for the text and the table and the data which is existed in the Excel sheet. That is an important topic. And another one is the fifth unit. We have the syllabus. The fifth unit syllabus is printing a worksheet and adjusting page margins and header and footer option. These three options are major topics or major important topics in the Excel. Why? Because these are all the different operations are performed in the Excel sheet. Why? Because these are all options are important to the Excel sheet. Why? Because printing of the sheet is most important. Why? Because when we store the data into the Excel sheet, when we want to printing a sheet, at that time the printing option is used, and adjusting the margins, it is also important. Why? Because the margins are adjusted in the Excel sheet. That's why it is also able to adjust the page margins. And header and footer option, already before IT we are discussing the Word MS Word. MS Word also have the header footer option. This is the important topic in the MS Word. Here also in Excel sheet also we have put the header and footer. And why? Because the sheet have the headings, and when we wanted to put the footer also, it is possible in Excel sheet to put the footer to that particular Excel sheet. These options are all important, and these are all the advantage features of Excel. That's why we are discussing the Excel foundation, and that's why we are discussing the MS Excel. The MS Excel advantages are these are all up. That's why we are discussing in the 5 units of syllabus. Excel foundation is the depth topic of MS Excel. MS Excel is used for storing the table format data, whereas in this third unit we have the tables. The major advantage of the table creation, that's why we are using the MS Excel. And we have the Excel features, and the password is most important feature, and the tables are most important features, and formatting text are most important feature, and printing. These are all the important features of MS Excel. That's why we are discussing the topics in that particular Excel foundation. And the first one is we have the introduction of the Excel. Introduction of Excel sheet, we have the introduction of the topics of the Excel sheet. The Excel is used for creating the spreadsheets, whereas the spreadsheets are the important documents in the particular which are used in the everywhere when we want to creating the table format data. At that time we are using Excel, and we are creating the spreadsheets. The spreadsheets are important for creating the table format data. The spreadsheets are the advantage feature of MS Office. The MS Office is a package. It has the 4 parts, already you know, whereas the MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint and Access. The Excel is major in the MS Office. Why? Because the MS Office have the 4 parts and documents are used for text related, and the table format data when we wanted to store, at that time we are using the Excel. And the unit 1 is majorly important. Why? Because the introduction is important for the Excel sheet. That's why the worksheet and workbooks. There is the charts. Here also important topics is the chart. Chart is the major important option in the Excel sheet or Excel foundation. Why? Because the graphical representation will be given in the chart, and along with the chart we also have the functions also, whereas the functions is also the most important topic or important option in the Excel. Why? Because the calculations are performed with the help of the functions. The major functions we have in different number of functions will be there, whereas the math functions and the string functions and date functions, those are all the important in the functions topic. Why? Because these are all the advantage features, and The main Excel foundation will be divided into 5 units of syllabus because of we have the large of operations will be there and advantage features will be there. That's why we are using the Excel foundation and we are discussing the Excel foundation, and these are all have 5 units of syllabus, and the topics or the features are divided into several in the unit 1, unit 2, unit 3, unit 4, and this is the introduction class of the particular Excel foundation.